Welcome to our latest DIY adventure, where we are exploring the world of wooden napkin holders. Whether you are an avid woodworker or just looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your dining table, we've got some creative ideas that will inspire you to craft your own napkin holders. First up, let's talk about the classic wooden box napkin holder. Simple yet elegant and versatile, these holders are perfect for any occasion. You can personalize them with intricate carvings, theme them to match your table decor, or even add a pop of color with painted accents. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try your hand with a geometric napkin holder? By combining different shapes and angles, you can create a modern, eye-catching piece that's sure to impress your guests. For those who prefer a more whimsical touch, consider crafting animal-shaped napkin holders. From adorable woodland creatures to majestic safari animals, the possibilities are endless. These playful holders are guaranteed to bring a smile to your face every time you set the table. Looking to add a touch of nature to your table? Why not create a rustic tree-branch napkin holder? Simply gather some branches from your backyard, trim them to size, and assemble them into a charming napkin holder that brings the outdoors in. Finally, if you are short on space, consider making a wall-mounted napkin holder. Not only does this option save valuable table space, but also add a decorative element to your kitchen or dining area. You can choose from sleek modern designs or go for a more rustic look with reclaimed wood. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there is a wooden napkin holder design out there waiting for you to bring it to life. So roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and let's get crafting. for joining on this DIY journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative crafting ideas. Until next time, happy crafting!